Hello, my name is Omar Toledo. I am a Java instructor, and in this video, I wanna teach you JavaScript and the HTML document object mode (DOM). Okay, so what happens here? When you have a web page, the hierarchy in your web page is gonna be the Windows object. It's gonna be the parent object. Okay, you can use Windows that alert, right? Okay, this is an example of the Windows object. And then what happened? Then you can have the next hierarchy: location, history, document, navigator, screen. And for document, that is our web page, right? We have, for example, forms, images, links. So it means that inside the document object, we can have an array of forms. We can have an array of images. And we can have an array of links. Okay? So we're gonna learn later how to use document that get element by ID, document that writes, many methods. Okay? But that is important here is the hierarchy. For documents inside the document object, you're going to be able to add forms, images, and links, and they are going to be arrays. Okay? Here, you see location. Okay? So what happened with location? You can use the location to redirect to another web page. Let's going to do an example of location, and then we're going to start working with document. Okay, so here, it's going to add an input type button value equal go to Google, for example. Okay. Okay, what happened here? Save, review. Okay, go to Google. So I want to click this button, okay, and then immediately the button redirects me to google.com. Okay, so let's go to do it. It's gonna be really easy. First of all, we need to associate, right, with the event. Which event? On click. Okay, so when the user click on the button, it's gonna call the function redirect. Okay, so your goal now is function right. Okay, now see that we're going to use the location object. So when the user clicks on this button, we're going to call redirect. It's here. And I'm going to use location href. Okay. We're going to type here http google.com. Okay, so what happened here? When the user click on the button, you're going to call the function redirect, and the function redirect is going to be executed. What we have inside redirect? It's redirect to this web page using the location.href. Let's go do it. Page, go to something is wrong here. So location.href So validate. Here. Save. Okay, so what happened here? Syntax error. Okay. So location href equal the word that you wanna use to redirect that. So I'm gonna go here, refresh, broken word. Boom. Is there. Okay. So this is a good example of how to use the location href property. Okay. So now here it's gonna work with the document object. Okay. Let's start working with the document object now. It's gonna create, for example, if you see the model, it's gonna create links. See, links. Okay, it's the same thing with images, but for it's gonna create links. Okay. Create a link here. Include another one. Example for you, video. Okay. For you. Okay. Another one. That. Save. Okay. Okay. You have these links, right? Okay, it's gonna use. Yeah. Yeah. I do that right. Yeah. Oh, okay. So go to article. We go to article. Go to file. We go to file. Go to camera. Go to Java. Okay, so the links work, right? But let's want to see what happened internally. Okay, it's gonna change the method. Yes, it's gonna see on click. It's gonna call the method, for example, see values. Okay. Okay. What happens here? How many links do we have now? 3 links, right? Okay, 3 links. It means that you're gonna have an array of links. Let me show you here. Document that links that length. See the hierarchy. Document that links, okay, and then you can use lengths. Let's gonna use that. Okay. Console.log document that link that length. Save. Let's see the console log, right? There 2. See that? 3. What is 3? document that link that length. You can write here number of links in your page, right? Save. Refresh. When you click here, number of links in your page 3. Okay. So it means that if I add another link, that's slash youtube.com, right? So what happened? Automatically document that link, that link has to be now 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let's see if that is true. Number of links in your web page, 4. Okay. So you can use document that link length. What else? You can use, let's gonna use the concept of here. Concept of love. First link. First link. Document that link and see that. See the index of the array? Okay. The array starts at 0, right? Here. Correct. Now you have that. You are seeing now the link, the complete path here. Okay. So let's gonna run that. You're gonna understand that much better. See that? First link. Here, first link. First link. HTTP www.oracle.com. Okay, you can use that href. Okay, you're gonna get similar thing here. Okay, with href. So what happens if you wanna display all the links that are in your page? You can create a for loop, right? For I equals 0 less than what? You want to display all the link, right? So remember document link that length to make you less than the number of links I plus plus, and then we're going to use so that log, and we're going to print here document that links the collection in this one href, right? So let's gonna see the console log now. Let me save. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. We display the for loop here, right? And the for loop display all the elements in the array. See? So you have an array of links in your document. In case you have an array of images. Okay, so it's really important know that because every link that you add is going to be automatically help you to compute the length, right? And then you can manipulate that. What's happening? What's happening if you do something like this? Here. What's happening if after the for loop you modify the last link? For example, document that link. What is the last element? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 3 href equal slash yahoo.com. Okay. Okay. So when you click here, you go to Yahoo. What? If this has to be YouTube, what happened here? Why I was in Yahoo? Because you use here document links, the 4 element, right? Remember the array starts 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the last element, the 4 elements. You modify the href property. The href property was youtube.com, but you modify that to yahoo.com. See that? We were able to modify the link here. The other links are okay. We didn't touch that, right? The last one is that was modified. You have to click there and then click it. See that? Yahoo.com. Okay. So you can use documented images, form. You can use get element by ID. We're going to see that in some example. But now you will have to see that all images, all links are arrays in your document. Okay. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you.